So, welcome. Today we want to be able to show you how to make your own seed starting and potting mix. We were given this recipe a few years ago from the Clemson Student Organic Garden or Farm, and it's worked for us great. We use this for both our seed starting trays and for potting our seedlings when they get a little bit bigger. If you're doing hundreds of trays per season like we do, then obviously it's better to do this piece by piece. You can get a better deal and a little bit cheaper for you. If you're doing just a few trays, then I suggest you can go to any nursery or landscape and be able to buy this in bags, and it'll work for you as well. But for you today, we're going to show you how to mix it all together and get it going. So first off, what you're going to need is some great compost. So for us, we are using the compost here that we purchased locally, and it's a great compost. We are going to do a double batch. So what you're looking for here is a good wheelbarrow size full. You're going to need some vermiculite. We choose vermiculite. Number one, it's easier for us to get in larger quantities, but we just like how it works best in the seed starting in soil, because the vermiculite is for keeping the soil from being compacted. You're going to need some peat moss here. We will use half a bag per batch. Some all-natural, organic, complete fertilizer. And then for us, we actually add in a little bit of a pelleted fertilizer as well that has some more blood meal in it to break down a little bit faster to give those seedlings that extra little spark. All right, so now that we have all of our compost loaded in the tumbler, and again, this is also an idea that I did not come up with. I saw somebody that would use this online and at a farm on how to mix their seed starting. So it's a great little tool, and it's very inexpensive to do, and it saves you a world of hurt on your back versus trying to turn it yourself. So now that all the compost is loaded in, this is about a double batch worth. I'm going to put in 4 scoops of our vermiculite. And remember, the vermiculite is to help keep from soil compaction. And it's a natural recurring substance in the soil, so it's all going to be organic. Last one here. All right. So we have our vermiculite in. It's going to be half a bag of our peat moss. Open this up. I'm going to go ahead now, just to make it a little easier, and take the tumbler to the next level, just to make it a little easier on me to get everything in. We have our peat moss in there now. Very important for the added fertilizer. Again, this is the complete fertilizer. It's a 555. You can buy those bags at any nursery, landscape store, any box store. You can go online as well. I put 1 cup per batch, so I'm going to add another cup to it. Put it in like that. And then our own fertilizer that we use, I just add 1 cup total, and it's a pelleted. It'll break down pretty quickly. It has some blood meal in it. Blood meal releases pretty quickly, and that'll give the little fire to the seedlings and everything that is starting to go in the trays. So once we have that all in, which we do, we're going to go ahead and tumble it and start to get our mix. But it's organic compost. You have your vermiculite, then your organic fertilizers, and we are ready to roll. About 20 turns is what you want. I probably did about 25 or so there, but it gives it a great mix. And when you open it up, you have a few that'll come out. I always try to save as much as I can, so I always put something under it to catch the fallout. And there you go. So you have a good seed starting mix right there. You can see all the ingredients, most of them obviously. But this is what we'll use to start all of our seeds. And then we'll use that for our potting mix as well when we go to plant the larger things down the road. Really easy to make. Most definitely if you do a lot of seed starting, you want to go with something like this. If not, you can find bags as well, both sterile and non-sterile mixtures. We're using compost, vermiculite, and 2 fertilizers, and it works out great for us, so I definitely give it a try.